So welcome to this little tour. It's going to be a driving tour of Victory Heights, but first I just wanted to stand here at the golf course. This is the Els Club, an 18-hole golf course, because the villas and townhouses that I'm going to just drive you around are located off this golf course. And around the camera so you can get an idea. You can see detached villas here right on the golf course, and then as we come through this community you can also see more detached villas. So all of these here in Victory Heights are townhouses or villas, and what people love about this community is that not only has it got the golf course and everything attached to the golf course, which includes, you know, you've got cafes, you've got sports bars, you've got restaurants, but also you're very close to a lot of the major schools, such as the famous Victory Heights Primary School, which is really popular. You've also got the new GEMS SRI School, which is literally just 5 minutes drive away, and the RGS School as well. So I'm just literally gonna drive you down this street here in Kalida so that you can get an idea of how this community looks. It's really green, it's really mature, it's about 12 years old. A lot of people now, you've got like kiddies parks, you've got footpaths down the side of the houses, and you know, I think you'll agree, especially if you're looking for somewhere that's got greener areas and more mature, this is where you'd want to be. So we're bang located right in the middle of between Jumeirah Golf Estates and Sports City, which is where Tilal Al Gaf is. Then you've also got, you know, further out, you've got Arabian Ranches. So this is actually closer and more central than those areas. And, you know, close to all the schools. But look how green it is, right? And, you know, kids love it. They can cycle around. You've got large, wide avenues. Look at those footpaths, very green down there. And, you know, it's just a really nice neighborhood. And a lot of people just don't know it exists. So let's just keep driving around here to give you an idea. So a lot of these houses now are being bought to renovate, and we are very in short supply of villas and townhouses here in Dubai. So communities like this, people will grab up a house and do it up. In fact, I have put here on my YouTube channel a townhouse which is up for grabs as a renovation project. So if that's something that you're interested in, whether it's for you as an end user, for your own home, maybe you're watching this and you're an investor and you're looking at which are the hottest neighborhoods, and no pun intended, it's actually a really hot day, but it's also very attractive and appealing. See, look at that. I love all these green spaces. The kids can go off and you feel safe that they are not coming to any harm and they're not on any major routes. So if you want details of what's available here in Victory Heights, then in the description below I have put down some prices of townhouses and villas. You know, you'll be very hard pushed now to find any detached villas anywhere in Dubai, and I mean a detached villa as in full villa, for less than 8 million dirham. So if it's a twin villa or a townhouse, then yes, you are still going to find them in the ranges from, well, in Victory Heights you're not going to find anything for much less than 5 million dirham, if that, but you know, there are townhouses slightly less than that. So get in touch with me. You've got the link below to click, and let's chat more and I'll tell you what we have. Thank you so much for watching. Greetings from Victory Heights.